Good day everyone. Welcome to the first video of Advanced Terraform section. On this video we are going to pre-install one more provider, random, and using it to create the random string with which we correct our IAM policy. So let's start. This random provider can appear on an exam based on the requirement. But technically it's nothing hard to learn. This is the official HashiCorp provider, and it's responsible only for the random values creation. So has only couple of resources like the random string, ID, password, etc. For this video we will use the random string resource. As this is the new provider, click on the Use Provider button and copy the provider block. So what our target? Do you remember we had the IAM policy, which comes from the JSON files. And inside of one JSON file, we have the dummy account ID. Our target is to replace this dummy ID on the random ID using the template function. Starting from the provider, go provider file and add new random provider. Now back to the main TF, and before the S3 policies, create new resource, random string. Call it random account ID, and to keep the proper account ID, we need to set the next attributes. Length should be 12 characters, no special chars, no lower, and no upper characters, so that stay only numbers. Now it will be the like separated resource inside of the our Terraform configuration, and it will be alive from the moment of apply till the destroy. Create an output and have a look on the value. Do plan. And expected error. Like we add one more provider to our script. First what we need is to execute again the init. And exactly the init command will change the log file and put there the random provider. And also it will download the provider binary file locally. From the log you will see that we need to use the upgrade flag. Let's do this. And we have from the download log our new provider. So remember that upgrade flag and use it on the case if you have new providers on your configuration or you need to change the provider version. On this case you also need to upgrade. Go to the our plan. Good, new random resource is here. It's not yet defined, like the random string will comes up only after the apply. But before implemented, let's change it on the our role, like we wanted to. Comment part with the policy attribute and file function. And change it to the template file. Path to file is going to stay the same, so just replicate it from the previous line. But after the comma, set the value which we want to replace. Let it be the account ID, to which we will assign the random string result. And now to give the marketplace for the Terraform, what should be changed and where is the account ID. Replace the value on the JSON file on the account ID variable. Here we go. Do plan again. And we have one to add, which is the random string, and one to change on the IAM policy. Do apply with the auto approve. And now we get our random account ID. Let's confirm it on AWS console. Open permission tab, refresh the list, and open S3 read access policy. Random ID is in a place. That's all for now. See you on the next video.